lo tiene enderezado siquiera.
Que claro, míralo, mira bien lo que está mostrando él en su video. En su video él muestra que el nivel de burbujas no detecta cuando el avión se inclina para un lado y para el otro. Y el aparato que tiene arriba, ese sí detecta estos cambios. Porque es un aparato que sí tiene sensibilidad para eso.
Pero si no es lo mismo, Hugo, no es lo mismo lo que estamos planteando.
Que no, pero...
Now let's go the other way, rolling to the right. You'll see the bubble level is moving off to the left now. The phone artificial horizon is showing that right roll, and so are the two iPads. So they appear to be working just fine on the ground, but as you will see, in flight, it's a very different story, and this is why it is completely pointless to take a phone-based bubble level or phone-based level app on board an aircraft and expect it to show you anything of relevance. Now, this is true also for a physical bubble level. And there's a physical bubble level I've just placed in for the purpose of the demonstration. You can see if I move that table, the real bubble level is showing the same indication as the phone bubble level. A slight amount of left bank indicated by the stratus and the phone-based artificial horizon. Once again, in flight, it is completely pointless to take a bubble level or a mobile phone-based level or an app based on a mobile phone because they're completely unreliable, and I'll be demonstrating that in this video.